Hi, in this video I'm going to explain how to use this cough assist machine. Normally for the chest infection, we have to use this cough assist machine in case the patient is not coughing very strongly. If this cough is not very strong, you cannot able to bring the flame out. So we have to use this machine to cough. There is a inhale and exhale power. Actually, inhale is 30 and exhale is 20. Okay, and there is a pause time 1.5 seconds in this machine. For my son case, we are using exhale 30 and inhale 20, and also pause time is 1.5 seconds. Just keep this one in the mouth and then just put the therapy on. It will just help to cough strongly. And also in case the patient is not coughing, also it will bring the flame out. This is actually very useful for the chest infection kits. Thank you.